Yorùbá, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, ẹ súnmọ́ bí mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣẹ̀rí ọ̀rọ̀ nípa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ni mo fẹ́ sọ. Tí ẹ bá rántí wípé mo máa ń pariwo pé bí Tinubu bá tiẹ̀ ní èrò rere pé bóyá òun fẹ́ ṣe, ṣùgbọ́n ìjọba Buhari ti balẹ̀ jẹ́ ẹ̀ tí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu dẹ̀ mọ̀ tí kò lè sọ láti pàkíyèsí ẹ̀ sí. Ṣùgbọ́n torí ambition Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ò lè advise gbogbo àwọn tó ń ba ìjọba jẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n òun rò wípé bóyá tó ń bá débẹ̀ òun máa correct many things. Tó ń bá débẹ̀ lòun tó máa correct most of governors ní gbogbo south west yìí, even ní east north, most nínú wọn APC member ni wọ́n. Àwọn tó wà ní House of Assembly APC member ló pọ̀ jù nínú wọn. Àwọn senators gbogbo APC ló pọ̀ jù nínú wọn. Àwọn tó wà ní top place lénìí, even àwọn tó wà ní border, àwọn tó wà ní custom office, àwọn tó wà ní Apapa of many places ní Nàìjíríà tó jẹ́ wípé a ti lè pa ìwà ìbàjẹ́ rẹ́ tí nǹkan náà ti lè dára dé, APC ló wà ní àwọn top place tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé Jagaban ló jẹ́ alátìlẹyìn tí a mọ̀ ní bàbá àsàlẹ̀ wọn Jagaban fún gbogbo àwọn tẹ̀yìn wò yìí. Tinubu ló jẹ́ kí gbogbo wọn débẹ̀, gbogbo wọn Tinubu náà lọ sábà. Tí kò bá sí tiẹ̀ kò ní lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀ láfi ní kí Tinubu kúkú jẹ́ bàbá àsàlẹ̀ kó dẹ̀ try láti control wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n torí ambition Jagaban ò lè control wọn, wọ́n ti wá ba nǹkan jẹ́, nǹkan ti sọnù. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀mí ló ti ṣòfò láàrin ọdún 8 péré tí ìjọba Buhari lò. Àmọ́ Tinubu ṣe meeting kan ní àná, meeting yìí ní agbára débi pé tẹ́ bá gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu sọ jáde nínú meeting yìí, ẹ̀yin gan máa mọ̀ wípé ìjọba Buhari ti ba nǹkan jẹ́. A dẹ̀ sọ fún Tinubu pé wọ́n ti jẹ gbèsè sílẹ̀. Ṣé owó Tinubu ni Tinubu fi máa san gbèsè tí Buhari ti ná? Odidi ọdún 8 ni vice president tẹ́lẹ̀ lò, Ọ̀ṣínbàjò kò ṣe nǹkan kan sí south west, kò lè sọ pé òun ní tangible thing kan tó lè point pé ní gbogbo south west tó ti wá òun ṣe kan. But Buhari lo ọdún 8 ó ṣe títí dé Níjẹ̀. Many things ni Buhari ṣe lọ sí ìlú wọn, but Ọ̀ṣínbàjò ò ṣe nǹkan kan. But at the same time Tinubu ò lè rí correct torí pé òun dúró pé tó ń bá débẹ̀ ló máa correct. Ṣùgbọ́n kò mọ̀ pé gbèsè ti wà nílẹ̀, wọ́n ti empty bàrẹ̀, wọ́n ti empty àkáǹtì. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wo bí fídíò ṣe lọ. Mo fi fún Tinubu o torí òun gan mọ̀ pé kò mọ̀ pé bí ìjọba ṣe bí ààrẹ ṣe rí ni di gómìnà ló pè tó lè pé ordinary state tó kàn lè control ní state ẹ̀ lásán. Kò mọ̀ pé torí pé nǹkan ń fìyàn síbẹ̀, ó ń fìyàn sí gbogbo oríṣọ̀ ló fi rò pé bóyá ó yí sí. Kò mọ̀ pé tó ń bá dé top yẹn, ẹrù tó máa wà lórí top yẹn ó lágbára ju pé ju nǹkan mi lọ. Ó ti wá débẹ̀ nísìnyí, ó dàbí pé Buhari ó ti ba ìjọba jẹ́ nísìnyí, ó ti wá pe gbogbo àwọn governors, gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ alágbàtúrọ̀ rẹ̀, àwọn gómìnà kankan, àwọn senators ó ti pè wọ́n jọ láti sọ̀rọ̀. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wo fídíò yìí, kẹ́ ẹ wo nǹkan tí Jagaban sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ṣe wò, ẹ bá wa share, kẹ́ ẹ bá wa pé ẹ fi opinion yín sísàlẹ̀ without abusing anybody, without insulting me or anything. If you don't have anything to say, please left. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Governors present. Thank you very much. The meeting is not strange to me, but the content that we have seen this morning is so valuable. The camaraderie is very stimulating. This is about Nigerian project, not about Bola Tinubu. I don't have dealership in petroleum products, and I don't intend to have one. Decisions that you have seen, and I thank you for supporting, for encouraging all of this. It's one I inherited, and it is fundamental. Inherit the asset and liability of my predecessor. That's it. No budget, no penny that have removed. This is the first time you enter the council chamber, right? This is the first time that I'm entering it too. So, what is it? But we have to push on. We have to make the decision that affects all of us. And you, as progressive thinkers, philosophers, under the umbrella of our party, has a very serious role to play in educating the people and making sure that we manage ourselves. One, I will take the opportunity to appeal to you on the question, on the leadership of the National Assembly. Maybe get a committee to see the Senate President. So that if there are areas, of conflict or inadequacies, then from there, collaborative leadership can straighten it out, can negotiate and make a deal and get the stability that is required. Two items, we need to do some arithmetic and soul searching on the minimum wage. We will have to look at that. We are digging deep into the revenue of the federal government. We must strengthen the source and application of those funds. Where is it coming from? And Security Council meeting yesterday, two of the items, mainly security, then revenue. We had our discussions, and I want you to please continue in that line. If we think together and work together, Nigeria of our dream is not far away. Be sure we're not going to have the multiple exchange rate anymore. To you, anytime it was late, they called for this meeting, and I said, okay, set aside my time, I must be here. That is a response to you. We equally have a political party to manage. Whichever way you skin it, we are still playing politics. But here we are. we have inherited the asset and liability of our predecessors. I will campaign for the job. We can't complain. We got it. To me, you are very, very lucky. How many out of how many millions of Nigerians that will now come out being the governors, and particularly governors from our party. I just need to appeal to you. Put yourself together as a company. Let's constantly deliberate, think together, and maintain an open door policy. Get that one clear. I'm going to be making 2 announcements today. Appointments. I'm going to appoint Femi Gbajabiamila as the Chief of Staff. And I'm going to announce George Akume as SGF. So if we take photograph, you like to smile, we smile. If you don't want to smile after that, that's the end of it. I think I should respect you by giving that to you in this chamber firsthand. That's it. May God bless Nigeria. May God bless all of us. It's in your hand. And I'm ready to walk, consult, and listen anytime. Thank you very much.
We have